Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto E6s and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open messages or any other area where you can input some text and take a look at your keyboard. Here we've got it. So here is our current keyboard. To change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, click on add keyboard, and pick the one that you want to apply. You can either scroll and search for a particular language or tap on a search icon and enter the language that you want to apply. Let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Here it is. Smoothly mark it, tap on done. And then you can either remove unnecessary language or stay with both of them. And as you can see from now on, brand new language is applied, but as we stay with both languages, you need to tap on space to change it. And here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.